Getting files into the Rev platform is extremely easy. And with just a few steps here, I'm going to show you exactly how we do that. There are two primary areas where we can get files into Rev, so let's dive right in. The first and easiest way is in the Browse File box right here. You can very easily drag and drop files in, and with one click, when you hit upload, it's automatically transferring the file into the Rev platform and beginning the transcription process. You can also upload entire folders. It doesn't have to be just a single file. If you have a folder with many files, they will all auto upload and be separated in the transcription process. As that file is being processed, I want to call your attention to a couple different areas here. Note that within the environment, we have support for multiple file upload and storage solutions, such as Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, etc. You can see here, I'm already connected with my Google Drive account. This enables you to very easily move files from, in this case, Google Drive, over to Rev without having to download and then re-upload. Keep in mind that we support multiple file formats. So you can see MP4, WMV, AIF, AVI, waves, PDFs, text files, etc. So a lot of different flexibility on what you can upload into the platform. We also enable easy uploading of URLs. So for example, here's a YouTube video. Maybe I want to upload and scrape this video and have it auto-transcribed. It's as simple as copying the URL, pasting it here, and hitting add. And from there, the file is uploading to the environment. You can see that everything is dropping directly into the My Files folder. So if you're doing these actions from the home screen, it's going to drop into your default folder. But if you are in a different folder, you always have the access in the top right-hand corner here to say upload a file or paste a URL. And doing so from within that folder will place that file in that current folder you're in. Well, that's it for uploading files into Rev. Give it a try and let us know in the comments section below how it goes for you. Stay tuned for more videos on what to do now that you've got your files uploaded. And until next time, we'll see y'all soon.